Hello everyone, this video is going to be on PR and ethical considerations. So to start off, I'd like to say that as mass communication students, we are taught early on that there's a difference between morals and ethics, which means that, well, for morals, it's more personal. It will differ from individual to individual. It's like how one individual perceives something to be either right or wrong. Whereas when it comes to ethics, it's more structured in a way. Well, what I found to be really interesting, since I'm doing journalism and PR, is that when it comes to ethics, those two really differ, because journalism tells you that, well, since you're working for the general public, in the public's interest, the ethics will tend to differ, because for PR you're actually working for the organization and you're working to manage their image, and I guess this is what really affects how the ethics will be perceived in those two fields. One really nice example that we got as to how ethics can vary from country to country is in relation to media kits. For example, in some countries, journalists expect to get a gift in their media kits. It's just natural, or it's something that they expect, and it's not unethical. Whereas in Mauritius, if you were to do that, it would be seen as a form of bribery and it would be considered unethical. So I guess this just brings us to the conclusion of what we learned in class, that ethics will differ from one country to another, and as PR practitioners we have to be ready to adapt to those different ethics and to do the best we can. Thank you.